let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us slow Foxtrot silver level choreography with teaching count. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at same slow Foxtrot choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we take close hold, start with preparation movements, and we dance feather step. Third step is outside partner, of course. Then 3 steps of reverse turn, notice ladies heel turn, and then reverse pivot. Change of direction with a quarter turn here. We dance again feather step, continued by open telemark, which we finish in promenade position, and natural weave from promenade position. Notice quick steps are on the toes, except last step for man is toe heel, and lady also lowers the heel. Now, let's look once again. This time we will focus on directions. So we take close hold, start preparation, and dance feather step moving diagonally to center. Reverse turn, we start diagonally to center, then down line of dance, and reverse pivot, we finish to continue in change direction, diagonally to wall, quarter turn, and we continue with feather step diagonally to center. In same direction we start open telemark, and we finish diagonally to wall into corner, and dance natural weave from promenade position into corner.
Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.